Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to update the passcode on your iPhone. So, let's get started. First, make sure you already have a passcode set up on your iPhone. To change it, start by going into your settings, then scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your mobile passcode. Once you're in this section, you'll see a few options. Scroll down and at the bottom, there's an option that says Change Passcode. Tap on that and it'll ask for your current passcode. After entering your current passcode, you'll be prompted to enter a new one. You can choose a new 4 or 6-digit code, or even set up a custom alphanumeric passcode if you want extra security. Once you type your new passcode, it will ask you to enter it again to confirm. Your passcode is now updated. If you ever want to remove your passcode entirely, click on Turn Passcode Off. Just remember, removing your passcode can make your phone less secure. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.